What are you doing?
Nothing.
They say I did something bad, and was it feel so good?
That is not a person.
Does she really think she looks like that?
It's ruining our friendship.
I don't even know why I do her makeup.
What's FaceTune?
Ever since I downloaded FaceTune 4 years ago, I have never felt prettier. Doing great, babe. Do you think my butt looks better like this? Or like that?
Why do you even come to the gym?
Oh, because not many people are around to see me FaceTune. Killing it, babe. Perfect.
Around the world, and I let them think they
Honestly, FaceTune's coming in between our relationship.
next.
Personally, I don't see a problem.
I don't even know why I do her makeup. She just fucks it up in FaceTune anyways.
Aw, I can't wait to FaceTune your baby one day.
What even is FaceTune?
Girl!
Guys, does anyone know where Gigi is? Do you know where Gigi is? Are you kidding? What are you doing?
Nothing.
We took a picture and she was just, and I went to post and she's like, no, what are you doing? I haven't approved that. And I was like, oh, okay, and I showed it to her. She goes, no. And she downloaded FaceTune on my phone and whipped it out. And literally just a new person.
Yeah.
It was insane. She showed me flaws I didn't even know I had. She was like, your big chin, you're this, you're that. Like showed me things I was like, I didn't even know I had these problems. That is not a person. Like that's not.
That's a beautiful cartoon.
That's a Pixar character. That's the little girl from Up.
Huh?
It's honestly gotten so bad. I'll be sitting there telling her an exquisite story about something that happened in my life. And she'll just be smoothing away like until her fucking nose is gone. I don't know what to do at this point, and it's ruining our friendship.
I don't see an app for that.
Gigi, stop face-tuning. Love you. Gotta go. Bye.
She even FaceTunes laying down.
This is how I want to look.
When she catches you face tuning, you should be in the corner, like shamefully doing it.
Okay. Wait, let me see it.
Maybe a little bit louder.
What?
What? You have this like constant need. Oh my god.
Look at her like she's a crazy bitch.
Oh wait, I wasn't even taking pictures, I was just posing with that.
This world.
Do I look